Hello, lovely people. Today is about the garden, the before and after. So what we inherited just over 7 years ago is the first half of the video. We hadn't realised we got these videos still actually from 7 years ago, so it was a trip down memory lane. The second half of the video is where we are today. I've got to say there have been some pretty major transformations. It just really brought home to us how much has happened, how much has changed. It's been a labour of love. It continues. There is still some work to do. There has been some upsets along the way when stuff has died or hasn't worked out, but also some amazing moments. And it's just incredible what nature can do. So enjoy. And here's our old front door with an old window to the left of it. Watch in the new video what happens. These steps, we couldn't quite work out why we got two lots of steps. So again, next video, watch for the difference. We come up to an old gate, which fell apart. Dave built a new one. But as we swing round, there's a big difference. We had these huge, big wooden gates that actually fell off their runners one day when we were coming in to park our car on this concrete patch this side. The slope down has now been replaced by steps, and the lower patio is now half the width. All on the left has now been dug up. We had quite a mess next door with the house that was empty, but luckily some lovely Portuguese people have moved in, and you'll see the difference in the next half of the video. We had lovely open space, and we're now walking over where the koi fish pond now is, down some short steps which we extended. We could never quite work out what this first fence was for, so we took it down. And I was so proud to have 6 grapevines on these posts here. Sadly, one of them got killed when Dave got a bit too heavy-handed with the strimmer, but the rest died. We never quite worked out why, but they are, alas, no more. Luckily, our other grapevines are doing well. Highlighted is Fred's chair. Fred was the owner of our house before we bought it, and we now sit there quite often. Let's do the same walk around, but today. So coming up the same steps from the paddock, and I wonder if you can spot the 3 main differences. First off, the first window on the right was in fact the top part of our old kitchen window. We've then got the new patio doors, which have been an absolute boon. Above our head, although you can't see it, we've got a new canopy, new porchway. And we've turned those right-hand steps into a succulent bed. Our friend Malcolm built that for us. And Fred the cactus is thriving, even got a flower on the top. We come up the steps, which I love this plant that half goes across the steps. And then to a new gate, which actually isn't new now, it's about 5 years old and needing a bit of a coat of paint. The wire is to stop Maya jumping on the roof to chase cats, but very handy for trailing the bougainvillea, and this chap guards the gate. Here's where the wooden gates were to let the cars in. Again, needs a new lick of paint this year. And now we've got tiles on the floor instead of concrete. The view still is amazing as ever. That slope we had before is now changed completely to this array of steps to go down. And this is what it used to look like, where the koi pond now is. Hey, bit of a transformation. This plant is huge. It was only about 2.5 foot tall when we bought it. Some things really grow really well. And there's our lovely hubby working away. So coming down the steps, over our little bridge, the aloe vera, another bougainvillea. We've still got a bit of work to do here. We're going to lay some gravel soon, but look where we've come from. And this was a halfway house when we had a koi pond half the size. So watch this space, because this is going to be a project we're going to be working on over the next few weeks. We'll bring you an update. There's the little stream filtering the water that's been freshly cleaned from this filter pond up here. Still a bit of work to do around here, but Dave's been mucking around with pipes. But hey, look at the difference from what was next door. They've built an outside kitchen there with our help. So now it's much better. Here's what we call the jungle area. We love this bit. Maya also loves this bit. Fresh water for her to drink. And as always, the fish are a tranquil thing to watch. Here's another snapshot of what this used to look like. And now it's replaced with this, the entrance to the garden from the patio doors. It's all taken off quite a bit. Some of the stuff actually needs transplanting. We do have a few spaces left. This spiky plant is huge. And this tree is relatively new. A lot of greenery around us, which helps the birds. We have beautiful bird song in our garden now. A different view from the pond. Again, I'm waiting for the lilies to come out. Nice bit of colour. And wandering down, hidden round behind this bush, is my little stone girl, which my late mother gave me. There she is. And then one of the spaces we need to fill. So if anybody's got any idea, full sun, really hot. This little tree has just come out in beautiful colours. Almost came out overnight.
Bom dia, tudo bem?
Tudo bem. How are you?
I'm fine, taking it easy.
Having a rest.
Yeah.
He's nicked my hat.
Hi guys, welcome.
He's nicked my hat.
Oh, it's a bit sunny. Yeah, I've got a delicate head. Do you want it back?
Yes, please. Hello, everybody. We're back again. We hope you enjoyed that trip down memory lane for us, and to see the differences with before and afters. You're still working on stuff, aren't you?
Does it ever finish? You know,
not with us. No,
you keep cracking the whip, darling. You know, I mean, no, honestly.
I do tell him to sit down and rest. You know.
Yeah, I've never been able to do that. Where we're sitting at the moment, this is a lower patio. It's all bare concrete. All the steps are bare concrete as well. So what I'm thinking of doing, well, what we are doing, is we're ordering loads of pebbles, probably 1-2 ton of pebbles, nice pebbles, set them in epoxy resin, and the steps as well. I think that'll look absolutely ace. Never done it before. It's a learning curve. I may be wrong. I don't know, but I'm going to give it a go.
So if anybody knows anything different. So anyway, do keep tuned. Subscribe, as Dave said, if you could. We've just hit 300 subscribers, actually. We're very excited about this, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're a short way to the thousands of subscribers of
yes.
the channel. Yeah, there you go.
Our little channel is quite
it's
small.
New channel. So we'd really appreciate you guys if you could, if you like the channel, give us a like. If you can share, that'd be even better. And subscribe, of course, that'd be brilliant. So I think that's all from me, at least. What have you got to say? Oh, I've got my hat back. Brilliant.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, guys.